Right on this channel, I give you a complete tutorial, a complete set, trust me, okay? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are just coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. So today I share with you how to make this beautiful spiral gold earring. Like I said earlier, on this channel I give you a complete tutorial. Even as a beginner, you are good to go. Are you thinking of what business to start with? You can start bead making and you're going to make a lot of earning from it. Trust me. All you need to do is watch this video to the end. Subscribe if you are yet to do that. Turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop a lovely video just like this one. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's tutorial. Materials needed. So guys, the first thing we are going to do, so get your size 6 crystal bead and your head pin. So insert the crystal bead in the head pin like so, and then fold it. Just form a loop, okay? This is it, okay? So once you are done, repeat the same for the second one, and you have 2 of it, and set it aside. So in your working needle, once you have cut your fire line and insert it into the working needle, now pick 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead, 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead, 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead. That's 3 of each, okay? As you can see. Now pull it down. After pulling it down like so, knot it. Now once you're done knotting, this is your working line. Now pass your working needle into the seed bead, okay? And pull it. Pick 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead. I hope it's clear. 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead, and then pass your needle through the next seed bead. Like so, and pull it. Once you pull, this is what you have, okay? Now, pick 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead, okay? Then pass your needle through the next seed bead, like so, and pull it. Now pick 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead, and work your needle through the seed bead, the top one, the up one, okay? You skip the pipe bead and the down seed bead and work your needle through the up seed bead like so, and pull it. So after pulling, this is what your work should look like, okay? Pick 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead, and pass your needle through the top seed bead, the next seed bead like so, and pull. Pick 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead, okay? So this is the process. You continue to pick 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead, and then pass your needle into the next seed bead, like so, and pull it. Pick 1 seed bead, 1 pipe bead, pass your needle through the next seed bead, the top one, like so, and pull it. And this is what your work should look like, okay? Now continue this process until you get to the length of the earring you want, depending on how long you want it, okay? continue picking one seed bead, one pipe bead, pass your needle through the next seed bead. Okay, continue until you get to the length of the earring that you want, and let's meet at the concluding part. Okay, so now this is the length I have matted to. Now I want you to know this. Okay, for you to have equal level, okay, for you to have a balanced level, what you need to do is, no matter the length you want your earring to get to, okay, make sure you count the beads. The seed bead, like now this one, I have 11 in a roll, 11 in each roll, 11 in each row. So make sure you have equal count for each roll. I hope you understand this, so you can have a balanced level. Okay, so once you are done with that, the next thing to do is pick 7 seed bead, pass your needle into the next seed bead like so, and pull it. And this is what you have. Okay, pick 7 seed bead and pass your needle through the next seed bead like so, and pull it. Pick 7 seed bead and pass your needle through the last seed bead like so, and then pull it. Once you are done, just make sure you pull your work so tight, make sure it is firm. Okay, so this is what you have. The next thing we are going to do now is you pass your needle, pass your line through 4 seed bead. You know we have 7 seed bead in each angle. Now pass your needle through 4 seed bead like so, and pull it. The next step, we have 7 seed bead right here. Now what you are going to do is pass your needle through the fourth seed bead. Okay, 1 2 3 4, the 4th seed bead like so, and pull it. Also here we have 7 seed bead. Pass your needle through the 4th seed bead and pull it. Okay, pass your needle through the 4th seed bead as well. So now we have our fire line round like so. Okay, at this point we are going to insert this. Okay, and now pull the line, pull it, make sure it is holding it, pull it, and this is what you have. Once you pull the line, make sure you pull it so tight, and you have this. So what we are going to do now is, you see the 3 beads, that is holding this. We are going to work our line through those 3 beads as much as possible, like 4 times, until you go around, until you make sure that this one is well secured. Okay, now once you are done going around the 3 bead that is holding this loop, and you are sure that your loop is well secured, then you knot it. And after knotting, you secure the rest of your line and cut it out. Okay, so this is what we have. You see how beautiful it is. So if you still want your earring to be longer than this, go ahead and continue beading. Okay, but this is what I want, and you see how beautiful it is. And we have our loop right here. So guys, this is what we have. We are done making our beautiful spiral earring, and you see how beautiful it is looking like. So nice. So guys, we are done making our beautiful spiral earring. As you can see how beautiful it is. So if you want it to be longer than this, go ahead and then continue beading, but this is what I want, and you see how beautiful it is looking like. So please do well to give this video a thumb up. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Okay, and this is the necklace and the bracelet, and we have our full set. See how beautiful it is. So we have our complete set right here. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.